Hello everyone, welcome to Sushma's Kitchen. Happy Pongal and happy Makar Sankranthi to everyone, all my viewers. Today is Pongal and normally this is a very important festival for the farmers. So they celebrate very grandly in the villages for 4 days. Pongal is a harvest festival which is dedicated to sun god and the nature, and they get their first crops for this year, so they pray to God for getting the crops. And this is a 4-day festival which is celebrated. The first day is celebrated as Bogi in South India and Lori in North India. They'll celebrate it, and the second day is celebrated as Pongal, where they decorate the houses outdoors with colorful rangolis. They have very good feast on this day, and they cook everything on outdoors. And they do kite festival, and the third day is celebrated as Matu Pongal, where they worship all the cows. And they do Jallikattu, which is famous in Tamil Nadu, and the cock fighting, which is famous in Andhra Pradesh. And today I'm going to show you how to make Pongal, and vada also I'll make. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Pongal feast, and in a traditional way I'm going to show you. Normally the traditional method is they do it outdoors. When they pray to the sun god, they do it outdoors, but here unfortunately I couldn't make it outdoors, so I'm doing indoor only. But I'll do it in a traditional way, and I'll show you the whole thing. Hope you will like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and please leave comments on my video. First I'm going to boil the milk. I'm taking a traditional way of clay pot. In this we're going to make the Pongal. I'm going to pour milk. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice and half cup of moong dal. I have soaked in water for 1 hour. If you don't want to soak, if you are in a hurry, you can just leave like that. But if you soak, it will cook quickly. So that's why I soaked it in the water for adding it in the Pongal. Now in this stage I'm going to add the rice. We'll reduce the flame now, and we'll add the rice. We need to keep on stirring in between, otherwise it will get burnt. The rice now, it takes a little bit time to cook, at least 10 to 15 minutes time it takes. Meanwhile, I'll show you how to prepare the batter for the vada. And if some people, they won't have time for cooking traditionally in this way, because this consumes a lot of time. They don't have time. It's a very easy method for cooking Pongal, is put it in a rice cooker, pressure cooker. I usually don't add any water. If it has to be taste, the taste will come good. For 1 cup of rice and half cup of moong dal, that is 1.5 cup together, add 3 cups of milk, 3 to 4 cups of milk, and just cook that rice. And after that, add jaggery. You melt the jaggery with little bit of water separately. You melt it and mix it to the rice. After the rice is done, this takes only 15 minutes, the whole thing. It will be very easy. Normally I do the same thing, but here today, because it is festival time, so I'm doing and showing it to you traditional way. Otherwise I make that it takes very less time. I always prefer that. And now I'll show how to make the vada batter. Let's see. For making vada, I have taken chana dal, 1.5 cup of chana dal. I have soaked in water for 2 to 3 hours. Minimum 3 hours you need to soak this, and you need to grind this not into a smooth paste without adding water. You need to grind this like coarsely. Don't make it into a smooth paste, just will grind it. See, now I have grinded the chana dal for the vada coarsely. I haven't made it into a soft paste, smooth paste. Now in this I'm going to add salt as required, maybe 3/4 teaspoon of salt. and I'm going to add some carom seeds and cumin seeds in this. Half a teaspoon of carom seeds and cumin seeds. Carom seeds are very good for digestion. And 2 green chilies I have chopped, and 1 onion, big onion I've chopped here. We need to mix all these together, and some coriander leaves. Don't add any water, just mix all these together. If you want to add more chilies, you can add. I have shifted the rice over that place because it's taking a lot of time. In the meanwhile, I can make vada, and I can show you how I'm making the vada for you. I have kept oil for frying the vadas now. The vada batter is also ready here. I'll just show you how to make. Now the oil is hot, and I just make my hands wet with water, little bit of water. I'll take some batter, make round balls like this. I just flatten it and put it in the oil. Now I'm going to take out all these vadas. This is all done. See, it's all brown in color, nicely fried. I can mix it more. Now the rice is almost cooked. It's all done. You can see the rice and the moong dal both are cooked well. Now in this time I'm gonna add the jaggery, which I have made it into pieces. I have kept one. This is called jaggery. I have made it to pieces. Now I'm gonna add this. When you are using a pressure cooker, you can melt this jaggery in a little bit of water, and you can just mix it. We need to mix it till this jaggery melts and mixed with the rice. See, the color is also changing now because of the jaggery. Since I have made the jaggery into pieces, it melts very fast, and mix it with the food. Now I'm going to add the elaichi powder, the cardamom powder, which I have already crushed. I'm going to mix this. It is almost done. The frying pan, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. We need a lot of ghee so that the flavor of the pongal will be good. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. This I'm going to add cashew nuts. To fry this. And this I'm going to add the raisins. I need to fry. Switch off the flame. Now I'm going to add the raisins and the kaju. Now the pongal is over.